Hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying a lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to set up VSeeFace for MultiV. That way you can be able to collab with other VTubers with transparent background. Do keep in mind, I will give a heads up, MultiV, it depending on what you want, because people do use Video Ninja or OBS Ninja, whatever you call it. Most people tend to use Video Ninja with green screen and such like that. MultiV basically relies on NDI in order to have that transparent background, which also means there will be some delays going on. So do keep in mind, compare between Video Ninja and MultiV depending on what you want. But of course, MultiV is definitely really good if you want just pure transparent backgrounds and have less of a hassle with green screen and red screen, purple screen, and all that weird stuff basically. So yeah. Either way, though, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go into settings right here, general settings over here, and then we're going to basically scroll all the way up here, basically, until we find the spout 2. Because what we need to do is we need to send our VSeeFace capture as a, we have to send it as a spout to OBS first, because a VSeeFace does not have native NDI support basically. So as an alternative, we do need to use OBS in order to make an NDI output for us basically. So make sure that spout 2 is set up. You can check out if you need any assistance in dialing anything that can help you out sending VSeeFace over to OBS, which you will need the spout plugin for OBS, by the way, in order for this to work. So keep that in mind. You will also be needing the NDI plugin as well because, again, these are not plugins that OBS has natively. You will have to download them. So I'll leave a link in the description below for the assets that you will probably need to download, so that way it can help you out getting VSeeFace to OBS and then OBS to NDI. So make sure to check description, download the assets. But make sure spout 2 is enabled right here basically, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into OBS, and I have already a spout capture here, so I just have to click on the plus button and then set up a spout 2 capture, after you install the plugin and such like that. So I'm going to go ahead and activate it. So basically have me right here. And yes, I'm keeping myself small so I don't have to cover the entire screen and have to re-record over and over. But basically what we're going to do now is that on the spout capture here, you're going to click on filters, and this is where you're going to need the NDI plugin for OBS. If you're also somebody who uses the Stream Up plugin, you already would have the NDI support because it is a plugin that does come with Stream Up here. So again, I'll leave this in the description if you are interested in this plugin, because I use it to auto update my stuff basically, so check it out. But basically, under filters, we're going to press on the plus button, and then I'm going to go up to dedicated NDI output, add it here, and then we're going to name the NDI VSeeFace, and then copy the name. And make sure to click on the apply changes, that way, things will work out, and then click on close. And for the time being, I'm just going to be kind of in the corner here. And then we're going to go ahead and basically have MultiV here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a new room. You'll probably have to launch the app basically. And then once you launch the app and down stuff, again, MultiV does have a Discord server if you run into any issues. But what you're going to do is you're going to set the you're basically going to set the NDI source name to VSeeFace or whatever you set up on OBS. Set your settings accordingly. I set it up to this, as this one gives me like the least amount of delays, but do note MultiV will always give you delays no matter what you do, even if you have the strongest internet for some reason. That's just, it is what it is. But you're going to then connect to NDI source basically, and then once you're done, it should start detecting your NDI source basically, which will take time. And as you can see, there is my character right there. Basically, it will again have some bad delays, which is kind of, it is what it is basically. So do excuse the delays, but otherwise though, For the most part, all you mainly have to do is if you want to invite other friends over to your MultiV room, you could share the invite link here. Or if you want to have your other friends, they have like this screen where all, like, let's say you have like 10 VTubers here or anything like that. You could share the source link, and anyone else can be able to like have the screen basically set up on their OBS if they, if needed. So yeah, pretty much in a nutshell, that is basically how you can set up VSeeFace, into MultiV basically, and be able to collab with other VTubers with having transparent background, if you prefer that basically. And yeah, I hope that this helps you out. I will leave in the description the Discord server for any VSeeFace tech support or anything like that. If you need any further assistance or anything like that, please check the description below. And I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey goodbye bye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!